children. Today's life skill class is on health and nutrition. What do you all do to remain healthy? You must be going to the gyms. Your elders must be going for a walk. You may be doing jogging. Yes, you do all sorts of fitness activities. But is it enough to keep healthy? No. Nutrition plays maintaining your health. And do you know what nutrition really means? Nutrition is eating a healthy diet. A diet which has all the nutrients like fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, so that our body can use these nutrients and the body can work its best. So now you can understand that nutrition plays a very important role in maintaining your health, keeping you healthy, and also making you active and energetic. Nutrition is one of the most important contributors to human health, as I already told you, because in addition to managing your weight and controlling your blood pressure, your cholesterol, a healthy diet also prevents many types of lifestyle diseases. So, in order to remain healthy, to keep fit and to keep away diseases, we need to eat a nutritious diet. This is a healthy plate. Now, a healthy eating plate is to focus on diet quality. Now you see this healthy plate has 4 sections: fruits, vegetables, which contribute 50% of the plate, and grains and proteins, the second 50% of the plate. Now fruits and vegetables are not to be taken equally, but you can change the ratio, like little less of fruits and more of vegetables. Similarly, grains to be eaten more than proteins, because we have to maintain a balance between all 4 things. Then a little amount of dairy product is also needed for your body. Dairy means you can eat curd, or you can eat other milk-based things like paneer, cheese, etc. So all these contribute to a healthy plate, which will really keep you healthy and fit. We all know that health and nutrition are closely related and dependent on each other. Without nutrition, it is impossible to lead a healthy life, and if we want to remain healthy, we need to eat a nutritious diet, because every time we eat, we get an opportunity to nourish our body. Means हम जो कुछ भी खाते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को उससे nourishment मिलता है, because a healthy outside starts from the inside. If we want to remain active, if we want to remain energetic, हमें nourished food खाना है, nutrition खाना है. The first wealth is health, because if we are not healthy, we will not be able to do anything. Now, do you know that you don't have to focus how much you eat, rather focus on what you eat, because quality matters, amount does not matter. This is your healthy eating plate, which I have already told you, which has 4 sections: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and a small bowl of dairy, because we have to eat well, be active, and have fun. Now, we all know that good food is also related to good mood. Have you wondered why when you don't get what you want to eat, you are off mood? Yes. And then sometimes if we are not eating our breakfast in the morning, we are not active the whole day, and we are off mood. So it is very rightly said that eat your breakfast like a king, your lunch like a prince, and your dinner like a pauper, because we want energy the whole day, and we will get energy only when we eating a nutritious breakfast. So children, do not skip your breakfast. Now, you all know that every bite you take is either fighting a disease or feeding it. So, what do you want to do? Do you want to fight the disease, or do you want to feed it? I know none of you want to feed the disease. So, choose wisely, because whatever we are eating, it is fighting diseases or feeding the disease. So we must eat things so that we can fight the diseases. The same here. There's an apple and there is a burger. The burger is feeding the disease and the apple fights the disease. So choose wisely whatever you are eating. Then it is also said that different colors we should eat for health. This is called a rainbow diet, because white foods are immunity boosting. They support your immunity. Then green colored foods like broccoli, they detoxify. हमारे body में जो toxic things चले जाते हैं, which we can't avoid, green foodstuffs detoxify the body. Then yellow foodstuffs are for beauty. Who doesn't want to be beautiful, isn't it? So we must eat yellow foodstuff like a pumpkin, a papaya. Then orange is for cancer prevention. Orange foodstuffs prevent cancer, and red foodstuffs are heart healthy. And purple foodstuffs like a brinjal are for a long life. So we must all incorporate a rainbow diet, means we must eat foodstuffs of all colors, of different colors, to maintain healthy, to remain healthy, because health is wealth. Nothing is greater than a good, perfect health. Thank you.